Okay, so now I'm back here. I've already put the cage on, tightened there's 6 screws, 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and then up here at the top you have a black one here, and then 1, 2, 3 here that comes off, and then you have to take off this sensor and I just did it with my fingernails, then put it on, and then you have 2 black screws here. So that went on with no problem. Okay, and now it's all this back here. This is where everything goes connected. And so over here on the left side, this cable comes up here, goes up there, and goes right into the board right here. So let me put that in there and see if it'll. Wow. Man. It's like it doesn't want to go in. Okay. There you go. There's a little snap there. Now I got to do these 2 cables on the other side. Kind of go underneath the sensors here. Alright, let me see if I can do this one. So you got to get them oh so perfect. Let me see if I can do the back one first. Okay. That one went in. Wow, this one is a little tough. There you go. All right. Those guys are all in. And you'll hear like, I don't know, it kind of sounds like it's a crack, but it's a snap. Okay, and so now, got to put this guy on. This guy goes there, like so. I got to get the screws, and that's basically holding. It's kind of holding those connectors down, and then I'll come back in and screw these guys in, and then it's a matter of putting the rest of the drone together. All right, I'll be back. Okay, when you're putting this guy back, and again, I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a black, this guy right here, that's kind of like a grommet. This has to go underneath that grommet. I had got it caught on there, but I'll do all this off camera, but I got it in place now. And I'll put all the screws on, and then there's 2 screws here for the sensor, there's 2 screws here for the sensor, and there's 2 screws here for that sensor. Okay, I'll do that off camera. Okay, so I'm putting the top on, and on this drone, it's hard to see, but this screw right here, As a matter of fact, let me get a light. And what happened is, I don't know if y'all can see the screw there, it won't come out. And so I'm having to screw it in as I'm putting the top on. Typically, the top would just click in, but it's not doing that, so I'm having to screw the screw in while it's going in. Let's see if I can do it right here. It's kind of awkward. There you go, you see? And now everything is kind of clicked in now. These guys are where they're supposed to be. Those guys are lined up. And these guys still need a little bit of lining over here because that screw, I need to screw it in. Let's see if I can do it this way and get it to line them up. God, it's so hard to see. Wow. It was really messed up. Okay, I'm gonna have to try and stick. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if y'all can see that ding right there. Yeah, took a really nasty hit there. And I don't know if my buddy bought it this way. I know a friend of mine sold it to another friend of his. And there we go. All right, that's it. I'm not going to mess with it anymore. All right, and now it's a matter of putting the screws in. And there's all these screws. There's some long ones and short ones, so I'm going to have to go back and figure out where the long ones go and where the short ones go. All right, be back. Okay, so there's, let me explain here. There's two screws that go down in here. Then, let me use my pointer here. Let me get this going. All right, so there's a screw that goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10, and then 11, 12. There was already one in there over here. That one I need to put that one in. Now, these two guys on the sides here are a lot thicker and shorter, so y'all can see. All right, so the thick ones, one goes here and one goes there. Okay. All right, I'm going to put all the other ones on off camera. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so one little mistake I made was, before you tighten all the screws on the top cover, you got to put this guy in. Okay, and so I was able to just loosen these two black ones here and pop that back, stick that in, and then there are two screws right here. And basically, that's what holds the gimbal. Goes into these two cylindrical placeholders, I guess you will. And then, if I'm not mistaken, I want to say it's these two. There's some screws that go in right here on these two through the cover. That hold the gimbal. Now, there's 4 black screws and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 silver or chrome plated. So the six chrome plated ones go here, and the 4 black ones go there. Okay. I'm just going to do that off camera. All right, and then of course you put the knobs on back here. All right, be back a little bit.